You'll notice we don't have it any edges still be straight because we don't have this displacement materials doesn't deform this area. And to apply correct, we can go inside the map maps, enable displacement, and we can also use it custom and modify it this way and apply it by using normals with positioning for our textures. Okay, so let's go ahead. Right now we'll go check next what we have. We have it spectacular, the ambient occlusion map. And let's render this one and just see as example. Okay, so we have it right here. Let's go to save our image. You also will notice it takes some time to render, and because we increase anti-aliasing inside from the 5 to 25 samples, it does create better quality, but you will start spending more time to render this, and you can see right here how the quality is changed. Many applications, for example, like inside the view, if we look, they will perform interpolation type, so they will smooth some those edges inside, but of course it won't be as good as texture may be created by itself on with your image. Okay, so let's go ahead right here. We'll go to ambient and we'll just add. We created. Again, this is just as example to showing you ways all those maps how they work, and you can see now we have lighting, more correct lighting applied to our wall with the distribution of ambient lights, occlusions, and other thing. Again, if we're using properly HDRI image and we want to apply HDRI from this environment to the lighting of this occlusion, that even will be very accurate lighting. And the big plus, it will save a lot of time when you start rendering with these type textures. Instead, if I'm going and recreate this texture inside the current application view, it will take way longer to render and create properly lighting and texturing this way. The one more things before we kind of end, this is one type of the kind of materials you can apply it. Also, you have another channel which is so let's look on a fence, and you notice right here, and we have it alpha parent applied to this. So what is happening with alpha channel? Okay, let's go to alpha map. This is mean ways of white color we will see, and the black color will be kind of invisible. So let's very fast, let's go do just a couple things. We'll go just select diffuse map for this. So we'll render and save this image. So we'll just create one. Okay, we want to do bump map. They're all same as before. Then we'll just want to render one more alpha map. Okay, and also, you know what, let me switch everything to tiling. Okay, and we'll go select diffuse one more time, so we'll have a tiling effect here as well. Yeah. Okay, now if we're going inside any application, okay, and we're going to apply those materials that you just saw we created. I just want to show you what this alpha will do for us. So one, okay, and let's do 5. Okay, so you can see right here we have this material applied, and it's just look like a wall. So if we're going inside and add our alpha channel that we just created, okay, let's connect right here. In some instance, you will notice you will need inverse. It depends on application. By default, it's a black. Will create it. I mean, no light. In some application, you need inverse, which is they provide for this. Okay, let's click OK. As well, maybe just create it single-sided, just for this purpose. So, and right here you can see we create material with alpha, which is transparency created in our material. So if I go ahead and place any object behind, okay, we can see through that our texture. So this is what alpha map also will provide for us to create this transparency through the object. Thank you for watching this tutorial from Geekatplay Studio. Please remember, visit us on the web is www.geekatplay.com.